The AutoROICalc Record is a base unit feeding your reports and then dashboards. The record speaks for itself. If there is some activity and we would like to report it, first, we must note and record it. There are several methods how to add a record. This tutorial part shows how to add a record manually. After logging into your user account, navigate to Records and then click on the Add a Record Manually menu item. The target page will guide you to input all the required record fields. The record date and time are filled automatically according to the current date and time. Feel free to adjust that. As the record type, we can input example record. The same for the description. The record source will be tutorial, and for the record value, let us input 1. Finally, click on the Add the Record button. Congratulations on adding your first record.